So we're here on the PLASTGrommet stand and we're speaking to Rafa Menendez. So thank you for speaking to us.
Thank you.
Can you just tell us about what you're showing here at FESPA?
Yes, this year we are showing automation. Our company has been integrating welding, eyeleting, cutting for many years, but one of the new features is what we have behind us. This is a compact unit entry level for customers that they really need to automate finishing. So we have welding, grommeting, cutting all together in line with a very compact footprint and a very flexible working width, because we can do any size between 60 centimeters and 3.2 meters, which is something that customers have been demanding for.
And a big theme on the stand for you and as a company is automation. So how is that kind of represented here at the show?
I mean, everybody that comes is trying to automate processes to be more efficient and to produce orders, faster. So all the automation that we are bringing, the feedback we are having from customers is very, very positive. I think we have done, the correct work or jobs over the years, and now we are seeing that what our engineers have been working for, is correct. You always get the feedback when you come here, but this has been very positive so far.
And can you tell us more about the actual new releases you got and what sort of new features they're giving customers?
So besides the all-in-one edge, that is the entry level for automation, this year we have brought a textile automation feature on the all-in-one that we've been making for many years, because customers, they keep asking about how we automate, fabric mesh banners. So it was like a logical step to add a sewing station to the machine, where we have two machines opposite. We are able to make a hem, we are able to insert the webbing that is polyester, we can do eyelets and cutting fully automatic with camera. Plus, we are showing how to finish, a fully recyclable polyester banner, because our clear eyelets are compatible in terms of recycling with the polyester, so you don't have to remove them, for recycling, which is a game changer for many companies.
Great. And you've got quite a few partnerships as well, which are visible on some of the signage. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, on the all-in-one edge, we're partnering with Sojan, and we are running PVC-free media, because that's something that customers, they keep asking. Can we do PVC and PVC-free media? So we are doing it with Sojan and Fujifilm. On the all-in-one, the front lid we are running is from Sojan again, printed by Fujifilm, and the fabric, Hermes fabric material we have has been supplied from Ponks in Germany and has been printed by Durst.
And you've got some new features on some of the machines as well in terms of what they can do. So previously you could do things like eyeleting. Now that there's new features which people can do as well in the all-in-one, is that right?
Yeah, on the all-in-one, basically what we are adding is we are giving the customers the option to do, you want to make banners, welding, or do you want to do air fabric banners, where you can choose sewing. At the beginning, we were thinking about having like a dedicated fabric machine, but the feedback we had over these days is that it might make sense to have a hybrid solution where you can swap, from banner to fabric, because the changing time is about 15 minutes, which is not a lot. It will give customers a lot of flexibility.
And how has the feedback been so far at the show? Is there anything?
Great.
Yeah. You've seen this being
really
a highlight?
Positive.
Yeah.
Yes.
Great. And how, as obviously you've seen a big growth in banners and textiles, especially. How big has that sort of growth been at this year's FESPA? What are some of the big sort of talking points for you? Yeah,
over the years, one of the things that we have seen is that people are asking how we can finish banners that are non-PVC. Okay, so PVC-free media is one of the the trends that we see, and the other one is fabrics. So the fabric market is growing. So the finishing, talking about automation, has to go the same direction. Otherwise, customers won't be able to finish orders, because you are only as fast as your slowest point. That always happens to be the finishing.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you.